Happy Halloween! I made butter slime. The only thing is, I've never made butter slime before. It was actually awesome, but I didn't realize it was butter slime until after I made it. I kept calling it cloud slime. I've never made cloud slime before, and I still haven't. So enjoy this Halloween video of butter slime. I purchased some Diaso clay on the internet for crafts, and since I have it, I might as well try to make cloud slime because I've never done it before. This is going to be my first attempt. Oh, I'm just heading straight in because it was so gross. Oh no. I made crowd prank slime, haven't I? Oh. No, this keeps getting worse. It's getting bigger. Like, seriously, it's like a creature from the Black Lagoon. I thought that would help the stickiness. Adding in air dry clay. But it did not. Can't even do anything. My hands are so messed up. Okay, that is a little better. I believe this is a fail, though.
On a head, on a hand, on a head, on a hand. You might think it's not grand, but being a head on a hand. Though there's not much to do, you never have to go. Pooh, pooh, I'm a head on a hand.
3 times the amount of glue. Is it equal parts? I don't know. It's been a long time since I made this. Need to more. Need to more. Then I'm gonna work this. That got shiny. Then I'm gonna work this until it is already slime, because I think I did mix it too early because it was really sticky and I wanted it off my hands, and then it just got worse. Come on, slimy and sticky. It's kind of a gray color because I had the stuff in the bowl already. That one's just straight up black though. It's, I don't think this is proper cloud slime. It is very soft, but it's more of a putty. Very putty-like. I'll show you how to accidentally make putty instead of slime. Need some more. And now it's just slimy instead of sticky. Gonna try to get a lot air in this before I do this part. But there are times that I just don't watch videos. I just I'm gonna make that. And this happened. Oh, it got sticky again. Oh no, it's like the stick monster. Fold it in. I think that will look, but I think that will work better just folding it in. Oh, it's better than the other one. It's a lot more stretchy. I'm gonna incorporate you in. So this one's still too sticky. And this probably would be a good slime if you wanted to add balls or something because it is a bit sticky. It might hold it in. Have not made slime in a really long time, I will admit that. Oh, let's add. I don't want to add too much, so that is the end of how much I'm adding because I'm going to need that for molds if it actually works for my other craft video. I have to wait days for it to dry though to see if it works, and if it works I get to order even more because from Japan it only takes a few weeks. So this is Diaso clay from Japan. It's sticky. I'm not sure if that's the texture it should be, but it is very soft. It goes from a matte to a shiny. Oh, it's got a ball of unrolled in clay. It's a unique, fluffy texture. Don't want to lose a band-aid in this. That would be gross. So I can do my crafts and it won't hurt. Does make proper slime noises. So I hope you enjoyed this slime video. I don't normally make slime videos. Black slime. Halloween and my black cloud slime. Black is my soul. I realized this was butter slime way after I had recorded this, and I spent a huge amount of time editing it, and then I'm sitting at the table playing with it because it is so much fun. I haven't been able to make slime since I injured my shoulder, but this was great and so much fun. But yes, it is butter slime. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos from me.